about a civilization happened 2600 years ago. Keezhadi is one of the most revered archaeological sites in India, owing to its habitation, which seems to coexist with the period of Harappan civilization, a theory which had no basis even 6 years ago. In a major turning point in the cultural historiography of the ancient Sangam age of Tamils, the Tamil Nadu Archaeology Department has stated that the cultural deposits unearthed during excavations could be safely dated to a period between 6th century BCE and 1st century CE. This is the first time the date has been officially announced by the Tamil Nadu Archaeology Department. The report titled Keezhadi, an urban settlement of Sangam age on the banks of river Vaigai, was published by the Archaeology Department. One of the 6 samples collected at the depth of 353 cm and sent for carbon dating test in the United States goes back to 580 before Christ. The results from the 4th excavation suggest that the second urbanization, the first being Indus Valley civilization, of Vaigai plains happened in Tamil Nadu around 6th century BCE as it happened in the Gangetic plains. 6 carbon samples collected from the 4th season of excavations at Keezhadi were sent to Beta Analytic Lab, Miami, Florida, United States for accelerated mass spectrometry dating. A Bangalore-based excavation branch headed by Mr. K. Amarnath Ramakrishna from ASI took up the site at Keezhadi village, 12 km southeast of Madurai, in the Sivaganga district. A terracotta mold resembling a human face, 2 ring wheels, ornamental objects made of ivory, and a large number of beads of different kinds. Animal usage. After analyzing the AMS dates, archaeologist Professor K. Rajan felt that Keezhadi presented strong evidence for some of the hypotheses. Skeletal fragments were sent to Deccan College Postgraduate and Research Institute in Pune, and it identified them of species such as cow, ox, buffalo, sheep, goat, nilgai, black buck, wild boar and peacock. Mr. Uday Chandran from Tamil Nadu Archaeology Department has said that these findings suggest that the society in Keezhadi had used animals predominantly for agricultural purposes. Potteries. Pottery specimens from Keezhadi sent to Earth Science Department of Pisa University, Italy through Vellore Institute of Technology for Mineral Analysis confirmed that water containers and cooking vessels were shaped out of locally available raw materials. Tamil Brahmi potsheds. The recent scientific dates obtained for Keezhadi findings push back the date of Tamil Brahmi script to another century, that is 6th century BCE. 56 Tamil Brahmi inscribed potsheds were recovered from the site of excavation conducted by the Tamil Nadu Archaeology Department alone, the report has stated. The Tamil Brahmi letters found on pottery is all names of individuals such as Disan, Adan, Udiran, which are typical Sangam age Tamil names. Weaving industry. Recovery of 10 spindle whorls, 20 sharply pinpointed bone-tipped tools used for design creations, hanging stones of the yarn, terracotta spears, copper needle and earthen vessels to hold liquid clearly attest to the various stages of weaving industry from spinning, yarning, looming and weaving and later for dyeing. While the first 3 excavations were undertaken by the Archaeological Survey of India, the 4th excavation was undertaken by the Tamil Nadu Archaeology Department. The 5th excavation by the latter is underway. With the large number of evidences arising from these excavations, the government is planning to conduct more such on the banks of Vaigai River. They are also planning to create a world-class museum for displaying these findings. We hope these will not only change the history of South India but also the South Asian history, as the period is 2600 years old where people had written linguistic skills.